Need new checks? In the next minute, I'll show how to order them through TD Online Banking. First, sign in at td.com or open the TD mobile app with your username and password. From Accounts Overview, select the checking account you want to order checks for. Open Account Services or More Options, then choose Order Checks from the menu. On the Checks page, pick a design, confirm name and mailing address, then choose quantity. Review pricing and delivery estimates, then click Continue to proceed to payment details. Verify or add a payment method, confirm billing details, and check the total amount. Read the order summary carefully and confirm your mailing address before submitting. When everything looks correct, click Submit Order to place your check request. You will see an on-screen confirmation and receive an email with order and tracking details. If you need to change the order, check order history or contact TD customer service promptly. Quick recap: sign in, select account, choose checks, confirm details, submit. You're done.